one. What's that? Are you laughing? One, two. Smile! Picnic natin si David so that he's not bored, be. Ayan. Let's eat. Hi. Hi, you like it here? David, nature? You like it? Outside? Wow, what's that smile? That's so cute. Smile. 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 Are you smiling? You're so cute. He wants me to get him. Let's get him. Hadassah and Hannah. Hi. They love nature. Nature. Hey, nature. David, what's that? David. This drink. Watermelon drink. It tastes so good. This is David. Let's eat. Let's eat. What did David do, Hadassah?
He broke Mom's sandwich in half, and then he was like, ah. And I was like, in the nick
He's
of time,
ready
he
to
was
eat.
like, ah.
He's ready to eat.
I saved his life.
He's funny. Yum. Is it yummy?
Yeah. Picnic. But before we are going to play at Davy Jones, and Mom's going to freak out.
Why?
Because there's a spinny thing that's so terrifying.
Oh, okay. There's a park. You're funny.
Yeah.
There better not be mustard in this.
There is. That's a croque madame, right?
Oh no.
Hi, David. You're also eating. He grabbed the sandwich earlier, but he's still not allowed to eat food. He's just allowed milk. He's allowed of baby food when he's 6 months old or 1 year old.
Top lip like here.
Si Hadassah. Kinakain niya lahat. Ang takaw. Ang ganda ng kanyang
Yum. Smack. We got the whole pie to ourselves. We got the whole pie to ourselves. We got the whole pie to ourselves. We got the
You
whole
may
pie
finish
to
my croque
ourselves.
madame.
Wow, look at that. Ang ganda, oh. Ay, sabi ko, what's that called? Sabi ni Hannah, it's called the view. It's called what, Hannah?
Sunset.
It's called the view again.
It's all of you.
Is it beautiful? Do you like it?
Mhm.
You do a tour. 1, 2, 3, go.
This is the park tour. So
Tuwan-tuwa si Hannah eh. Sa kanya
We're
yun.
going to a raccoon.
Sabi, this ant is so big, oh. It's almost 1 inch, be. He is so big. He's going to the food. It's funny. Let's look at the other ones. Enjoy nature. Let's look at the ants, huh? There's so many. Where are the other ones here? Yan, I put the food here so that they will just go here. This is the see the picnic cloth. Food. They're hungry. Ako, ito na naman. Pumunta na naman sa tuhod ko, be. Oh, kailangan kunin natin. It's not going to bite it, thankfully.
Hi. I'm climbing this. And it's hard. He's climbing the whole thing. It was from here to up there. She already tried it earlier. She wanted to do a second time, so we took a video of it. Oh! That's so scary. I'm scared. I also want a video going down. Okay. At the first try, she was like, Her heart was pounding. She looked so I kind of want to try it too.
No, you do not want to try it.
Ow!
Never do that.
Take that.
David, smile. David. Hi. Ang serious na. Ala. David, smile. Wow, ang ganda. Ayan, ano na be? It's getting dark.
Hannah, cease that immediately.
Let's zoom in, be. Zoom in natin, ha? Yan yung lake. Yan, nasa na yung girls? Naku, tumakbo na yung mga girls doon. Hi, David! Hi, David! Smile! You like it here? Outside? Nature.
Don't smile at me for that. I smile at you for that.
Ang ganda ba, oh. Si Hannah, ang kulit. Hannah, do you want to sing a song? A real song, come on, perform. A real song. A real song. That's Peppa Pig. The other song. Golden, golden. 1, 2, 3, go. Your dance. 1, 2, 3, go. Your dance. Yeah. Ginagawa niyang ano, demure. Hindi naman ganyan. Ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na. It's not like that.
Yes, it is.
Again. One more. No, you're funny. I'm not hiding now. Where's Ate? Hannah, where's Ate?
Funny.
Ah, what's that, David? It's beautiful. Can we see your hand? Cute hand of David. Look at that. Your nature is so beautiful, David. Enjoy. Enjoy nature. Smile. Smile. Eee.
Here. One.
Flip, David, flip. Come on. Flip. Yay! Yay! Flip. Wow, good job. You're so strong. Yay. He said, what's this?
Chicharron?
Chicharon daw. Chicharon? Hannah, try. Come on. Tikman natin. Paminsan lang. Sometimes. Mostly vegetables and fruits. Look at her. She's holding her brother. Si David parang ano. Tuba-ching-ching. Hey David, enjoy. David, you like nature?
He loves it.
Yeah, he loves nature. Enjoy, David. He already had milk.
I love him.
You love him?
Yeah. He's a potato.
We will go na to the playground, ha? Inaano lang yung kanyang paa. Sabi ko kasi laging mag-shoes eh. Let's try this one, be. I like the spicy chicharon. Paminsan kumakain ako niyan, be, once a month or every other month. Grabe ang tagal eh, no? David! It's fun. We're outside. You like it? He has socks.
Of course
David, we love you. Up here, David, up here. Hold your hand. Hold hand. Have great days, have great months, have great years. Have a great night, everyone. Take care. Ooh, he's cute. Ooh, what's that? He looks like a pig. Hi, bye. He looked.